checking out this video. So today I'm going to go over how to make a stunning website for your photography in about 10 minutes. And this is super simple. We are going to be using SmugMug, and I've been with SmugMug for about 5 years now, and I can't say enough good things about them. I have compiled all the things that you need for a website. So I have a logo here. Alright, this was done by Photo Logo. I have a profile picture. I have sample photos that we'll put on the website. I have my bio and my social media links. So you're gonna need those for when you make your website. So let's get started here. Alright, so if you guys want to try a 14-day free trial, click the link below, and if you guys like it, get 20% off your subscription price with the link below also. So I'm gonna make a fresh account here. And then it gives you the option, do you want to sell photos? If you're not sure, click not sure. If no, no. But we're going to put yes for that. Alright, so once you sign up, you got all these designs to choose from. There are quite a bit, and there's actually more than just what's on this page. So for me, I like a really clean, simple design. So let's go with Jasper. Let's use this template. You can upload your logo right here. And like I said, I already got all this stuff ready for us. So logo right there. And your display name, so whatever your company name is, you can put that right there. So let's just do Hoeller Photo. And of course, add your social media links. Again, I have all that ready right here. And then gallery name, let's see, I guess that's required. So let's just do test portfolio. And let's upload all these photos so we have some stuff on the website. Alright, so we have the gallery name, we have 6 test photos uploaded, we have our logo uploaded, our display name, our social media, and let's do show me my site. So again, that was just like they build it for you. You have a lot more customization options on how you can show your photos and what you want to do, but it's pretty much looking like the website I have now. And again, just logo on top, your little bar up there, and your social media links below. So to further this, we can go to Organize. On our main photo organizer right there, we can create a page, and now this will be an About page. So let's see, let's go with this one, vertical. And title, about me, whatever you guys want to name it. And of course you can do your custom URL also. And create. View this page. They make it so easy for you to make a website. It's crazy. So again, I have my About right here. About is, the most important thing that you can have on a website, besides your work. Your About is going to be talking about you, why you're credible, and stuff like that. So really think about it. If you guys want to pause and read mine is just super simple. Mine is, just explaining the companies I've worked with. I have a FA Part 107 thing license, so I included that. I tell them what I've shot and stuff like that, But you can do whatever you want. Save this, so we'll publish that. So we'll go to Organize, and then up to the main photo organizer again. Create gallery. And now this one is gonna include our pretty much private photos, so it's like our profile images that you don't want people to see on your website. So let's see. So let's just name these portfolio. Actually, portfolio image. Okay. And then security and setting. Let's do unlisted, and then people with a password. And then you can make a password if you want, but I'll just do random. I'm doing this so people can't find this folder, because this folder is just going to have my profile picture, and I don't want people to, navigate through that on my website. So we're going to turn pretty much everything off. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and then create. Alright, and then we're going to upload. And profile image. There we go. And perfect, there's our portfolio image, and then no one's gonna find this because it is a private, or it's an unlisted gallery with a password. So if anyone even does find the link somehow, they will need a password, which I just put random letters in it and you don't need to know it. So let's go to the About page, and now we can edit our photo. So you go Customize, Content and Design, and sometimes you want to make sure over here on the right side when you're editing, you just want to do just this page. Sometimes if you're editing photo galleries, it will put all the edits that you're doing on one page to all of the galleries, and I don't personally like that, so I usually just do just this page. Alright, there we go, and make it maybe a little smaller. Perfect. So there we go. And now what we can also do is edit this logo up here. Let's do 200, see what that looks like. Maybe a little bit bigger, 250. There we go. I think that looks a little bit better. And now what we can also do is edit our social icons, display. You can do medium. I like circle, square icons are awesome. In the center, of course, let's do muted. That looks nice. And then open links in new tab. And then, of course, with text, you can edit however you want. They have a few different fonts, I guess you would say, looks that you can go with, but I usually like the default look. And then up here on your menu bar, you have a way to add different links. I usually get rid of browse and search unless you want people to search your images. So for links, you have your home, of course, and you can add one just like that, and the title will be About, and then you're going to choose page I choose, and then choose page, and then your About page right there. Alright, and then once you get more on that menu right here, you can rearrange them however you want. And yes. Alright, so we'll publish that now. Alright, so perfect. So when we go to the home page, we already have a logo, we have the home button, we have an About, we have social media icons on the bottom, we have a beautiful scrolling carousel with all of our portfolio photos. And now let's make a portfolio page. So again, let's go to Organize. So luckily when we started the website, they had us create a portfolio already. So let's go to that one, and we're going to change a few things really quick. So we're going to title this just Portfolio, not Test Portfolio anymore. And get rid of that, and get rid of that, okay? And you can add a description, meta keywords, whatever you want. Security and sharing. We want that public, of course, so everyone can see that. And access to anyone, web searchable, of course. Photo protection, whatever you guys feel comfortable with. I usually go with original, right click message on. If you guys want a watermark, SmugMug gives you the opportunity to create a watermark on their website, which is great. And then if you want your download buttons on or off. Social, if you want people to share your photos or comment. And then shopping, if you want people to buy your photos, which during the 14-day free trial, they give you the highest package on SmugMug to get a feel about, how it is. And then appearance, I'm not sure why this isn't going away. Appearance, gallery cover, image, totally up to you. I will show you guys what that looks like. Show camera info off, show file names if you want, slideshow off, and enable map features off, and then we'll save that. Alright, perfect, and now we have a portfolio. So this is what the gallery cover is. It's just a big photo of one of your main photos. Personally, I do not like that, so I will go to Organize, click on Portfolio Settings, and that will be in your appearance, and then you can click that off. And that will take us back to the portfolio. And now to customize the portfolio, gallery style, and then you can change your style as much as you want, or how different you want it. Then what we can do is content and design. Again, right here, like I was saying before, if you edit this one gallery, it'll edit all the galleries. So I like to make this one custom. And then, let's see, spacing between photos, whatever you guys want. I like my photos to be really large, so as soon as they click on it, these images are just right in their face. Let's do extra large, there we go. And then if you want info style, this is just like the text or title or description of each photo on. Totally up to you. I like the bottom bar, text alignment left. And then info hover, so if you hover over a photo, you'll see the info bar right there, and that'll be your text, your description and stuff like that. Alright, and then click done. Alright, perfect. And now what we can do is add it to our menu bar. So again, customize, content and design. Click up here, links, add one, enter title, page I choose page, portfolio, done. Then we're going to organize this so portfolio is before, about, done, publish now. And there you go, there's your beautiful portfolio. So let's start from the beginning again. So once again, from the home page, your logo's on the bottom, or your icon, social icon. So when you click these will go to your page. You got a beautiful carousel showing you your portfolio. You have your logo up top so people recognize who you are. You have your menu bar with home, portfolio, and about. So if they click on portfolio, it'll take you to your portfolio. And of course, if they hit about, this will take you to your about page, and they can read all about you. So they give you a nice right-click message. These photos are copyrighted by their respective owners. All rights reserved. Unauthorized use prohibited. So you can use that, or you can edit your own. And if I take you to account settings right here, and right-click message right here, if you want to change that to your company name, like I have my samples right here. So if we go up to here again and click on edit my portfolio, this will give you more options to edit your first name, last name, and stuff like that. And your contact email right here is where you also want to put your email so you can have people contact you. And then your profile photo, and you can upload a new one, so let's use the same one. And if you want a little description and stuff like that, you can do that. Alright, so to add a contact email, let's go to edit my profile, and then put your email right there, click save, and it'll tell you to verify your email after they sent you a link, so make sure you do that. And then what you can do is go to customize, content and design, click on the social icons down there, all the way at the bottom, show email on, and that will give you the email icon so people know how to contact you. And if you click on that, it'll give you this nice little contact box with your profile photo, and then they'll type their email or their email address, their subject, and their message, and it'll go right to you, which is super nice. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this really quick video on how to make a stunning website for your clients and future clients and stuff like that. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below any questions you have, and also if you want 20% off your subscription and a 14-day free trial, links will be below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.